Mantex Solutions. Today we are going to see the project called Accident Analysis using wireless black box system. For that, here we are using Raspberry Pi as a core system, and here we are using tilt sensor to detect the accident where the car may tilted, and here you are using a sensor which is used to detect the alcohol consumption, and here we are also interfaced one USB camera to the system. In this system we are having two IC bases. One is driver IC, which is L293D, used for driving these two motors, and here we are using another IC which is nothing but the MCP3008, which is used for analog to digital conversion of the two sensor values, which is one is alcohol and another one is tilt sensor. And we are using this IR sensor, which is used to detect the rotation of the wheel to measure the speed. This is the robotic car setup, which is used for accident analysis. This is the project which contains every sensors. Initially, this robotic car will move forward whenever it gets accident detected, which is occurred by this sensor tilting. It will send every sensor values with one notification like accident detected, with one captured image with the sensor values, and with the one notification like accident detected will be sent as a mail. As well as to make it as a wireless black box, we are using MQTT protocol to receive every sensor values, which is nothing but to receive every driving parameter value through MQTT protocol, which can be received in our mobile phone, which is My MQTT application, which is freely available in Play Store. We'll be seeing those values via MQTT protocol. Here we are having this My MQTT software. In the software you have to click connect. Connect is nothing but we are having broker mqttdashboard.com, and the MQTT port number is 1883, and click save. So it is ready to connect it. It's already connected here. In that, subscribe and dashboard is there. Here subscribe is nothing but to make it as a subscribe with the system, with our car system. We have to find that publisher name. Here we are using blackbox/car as a publisher name, so that we have to type that one. So blackbox/car. So I have to add it, one subscription. The dashboard, there is no message now. So now I'm just gonna run the system, which is nothing but I'm just gonna operate the car. So in this dashboard we are getting alcohol consumption value, and x-axis MEMS, and the y-axis and the z-axis, and the speed of that motor, how long it is speed, every values which is received in the dashboard, which is nothing but a wireless black box system. So this will return those every driving parameter value through MQTT. We need some of the locations. In this car system we don't have any GSM. By using mobile GSM, in this car system we don't have any GPS module, so that we are using our Android mobile to stream our GPS value. So that here they are having target IP address and edit target port and medium and UDP stream. Here first we have to find the IP address. Actually in the Raspberry Pi that IP address is 192.168.137.44. So I added that IP address, and in the toggle sensor we have to add the GPS location here. So here by using this GPS value we can able to get the GPS value. In the UDP option we have to click UDP stream and switch the stream on, so that these GPS value, that is location value, gets streamed to the Raspberry Pi via UDP. Okay, now we will go for the hardware demo now. Then I'm just gonna run the code. Car will be initially move forward with it streaming some of the values. I'm just gonna make some accident occurrence here manually. So in that window there is accident detected with some latitude and longitude points. So car stops immediately. So whenever that accident happens, I got one mail notification which is nothing but an accident occurrence like accident occurred with that alcohol consumption value and x-axis and y-axis mems and x-axis and speed and everything got as a mail with one image. Again I got one mail with an image which resembles that accident is happened there to notify for notification. And also the main thing is we can able to visualize in the local area by using these web pages. Now I've just configured with the IP address with the /gpio.php and press enter here. It captured some of the images with the sensor values which says that alcohol consumption is normal and y-axis is normal and the z-axis is normal, which is nothing but x-axis differs, which resembles that car get tilted along the x-axis. So this is the project which will explains every parameters like every accident analysis by using wireless black boxes, by using MQTT protocol as well as HTTP, as well as to send a mail we are using SMTP. Everything got done successfully. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video.